Alright, so take a 3/32 Allen key, and we're going to cut the angle off here and just use the straight piece and make a tool for tightening up the set screws on the door handles. Now you can just do it the old way and just use this, but I've seen people scratch doors, and you don't want to scratch a Sub-Zero door because good chance that you're gonna have to buy a new one. So we're going to cut off the end. Then we're going to stick it in a 4mm 1/4" drive socket like that. Then we're going to weld it in. Now there's another way you can do this. You can just go out and get one of these little drives, these chucks. This is the one I use, but there's even smaller ones. I just bought these two little trucks off of eBay, and you can just stick this thing in there like so, and then you got yourself a little tool. You don't have to scratch the door. However, sometimes I like to have a little bit of a twist, an angle, get in there with the 1/4" socket. So I'm going to solder that in there like that. So the hardest thing is to try to keep that thing centered. So let's get something to hold that with. Okay, there you have it. Put that in there like that. Don't over tighten it, but so no scratches. Okay, thanks for watching.